We're part of HARTING Americas, and HARTING Americas is part of the HARTING Technology Group, a German-owned, third-generation, family-owned company. At HARTING, we manufacture connectivity solutions for industrial markets, part of the transportation, energy, automation, and machinery markets, among many others. We were able to determine that the workforce development was a great opportunity for us to partner with IMEC.
HARTING Americas works across the US, Canada, Mexico, and Brazil. So learning to navigate the cultural differences really makes a huge difference in our communication styles and interactions as team members. The DISC assessment workshop gave our leaders and team members a common language to work together and collaborate.
IMEC facilitated a Lean 101 workshop with HARTING in which it was a full day of class instruction. Additionally, there was production simulation, and then most recently, HARTING took part in leadership development workshops.
The projects that we did with HARTING were custom for them and their experiences of what they need. So our two expert internal facilitators put together a great program where they actually were able to train them, some virtually, some on site. The goals of this leadership training were to expose the entire HARTING team to the different aspects of how people work in the workplace and how they communicate better in the workplace. They were finding that there was some gaps there between how their team looked at the way they did their work versus maybe someone that was in one of their different facilities in a different country. And then from that, grow that training out internally.
Working with IMEC team has been really great. They are incredibly knowledgeable, so kind, and really tailored their solutions to our team members to fully understand what we were kind of looking for. They came in as experts and really helped us better our team and created strategies to really make a lasting impact in our organization.